If you've been searching, I'm going to show you today how easy it is to blow up on TikTok. If you don't believe me, keep watching. If you can't do this, then you shouldn't be on TikTok. I'm going to show you how to blow up on TikTok and how easy it is. Okay, it's really not that hard, but you got to do what I'm saying. If I can blow up in 2 months, I know you can. If you want to know, it took me 2 months to get 27,000 followers. If it took me 2 months to get that, I'm sure you could probably get 20,000 in 1 month. But hey, here's what I did. This is what you got to do, and it's easy. Hey, so your times to post are the most crucial thing. There's nothing like posting the video knowing that everybody's asleep, knowing that they haven't woke up yet, or knowing that they're busy doing something like school or they're at work. So the best times to post where you are 10, 3, and 8 p.m. Once again, 10 a.m., 3 o'clock, and 8 p.m. If your video is already posted by 10 a.m. where you're at, by lunchtime, people will be scrolling and they will see it. Everyone's watching stuff on lunchtime, whether it's TV, it's time for break, or even if you're in school, or even if you're at the job, that's usually around lunchtime. So you want to post a video around 10 o'clock. 3 o'clock, because that way it can already be on TikTok when people are coming home from school or logging off of social distancing or coming home from work. That way it can be up there by 4 and 5 and 6 for those people who are late to get the notification, because not all notifications go out right away. Some of your followers on TikTok won't get a notification until a few hours later, or it might be delayed an hour later. So you definitely want to have something up by 3 o'clock. That's the second best time to post where you're at in your city. The other time is 8 p.m. Why 8 p.m.? They're kicked back, they're home, their feet is up on the ottoman. They're probably, they might watch TV, but they might want to scroll on TikTok, or they're in the bed. So if you post by 8 p.m. in your state, wherever you are, by 9 and 10, when they're scrolling, they're relaxing, they're going to see your post. If you're going to post other than those times or outside of those times, I would do it in and throughout 10, 3, and 8 o'clock, somewhere in between there. Use the search option right here, dinner with me. You see hashtag holiday crafts, hashtag cancel the noise, hashtag think about. Start right there. If you use the popular trending hashtags on the search tab, you are guaranteed to get followers, especially if you hop on it right away. Every day I would check the search tab to see if there's a new hashtag. Now I'm looking at hashtag holiday crafts, and it only has 214 million hashtags. The few below that are already in the billions. So you can still hop on holiday crafts because it's only in the millions. Hop on it, hop on it. It's at the very top. Those are the ones you want to do right away. You can go viral by yourself. Myself personally, I usually use someone, whether it's my friends or my kids in my videos, but there are TikToks you can make, whether it's lip syncing. Lip syncing is still popular on TikTok. You can go viral doing lip syncing as long as it is accurate and people are seeing that you are spot on. I would search for audios, hashtag audio, and you will find a ton of audios. If you don't hear anything else in this video, I would try lip syncing. I would honestly do lip syncing. That is a sure way to blow up on TikTok if you want to specialize in that. I'm not saying that, you do one video and all of a sudden, you're going to get, where you want to be. But if that's something you want to try, venture into that. And I would actually try different things. Now, you will have to make sure you memorize the lines. But if you nail that spot on, people think it's actually you talking, unless it's a famous person, of course. But hey, you've seen a couple of those before where they're talking, and then they close their mouth, and the person's still talking, and you're like, oh man, I thought that was them. Don't forget to create posts about whatever the holiday is. Right now it's 2020 and it's around Christmas time. I would do daily Christmas vlogs, like a 1-minute vlog or a 30-second vlog, just showing what you have going on in your house. Show off your Christmas tree, show off your new Christmas clothes. Maybe your family's making dinner. Just create something fun about it. And hashtag Christmas 2020 for that matter. Stop trying to go viral and create. That is the key. TikTok is not necessarily now pushing videos as soon as they come out on the For You page. Now there's like a delayed boost to where your video might not go viral until about 8 hours later or the next day, maybe 2 or 3 days later. I've seen it happen. Gary Vee said he does not look at views anymore of the content that he creates. He actually said it in a different way with some cuss words. He said he doesn't give a beep, 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 beep about views. He puts the content out there because he knows it's authentic, it's legit, it's true, and who cares how many views it got? And he just keeps pushing out content. He keeps pushing out content. It's the truth, put out a video, put out another video, put out another video. If you put out 10 different videos, 3 of them is gonna go somewhere. If all 10 are what you really wanted to put out, who cares how many views it got? You are in the process of finding people who like what you do and decide that, you know what, I want more of this person and I want to follow them. Which brings me to my next tip. Trust the process. TikTok has made it easy. Open the app, make sure your lighting is good, make either a 15-second video, a 30-second, or a minute. It's that simple. Trust the process. Do not feel like it's gonna happen overnight. Now, of course, TikTok is a platform to where it can't happen overnight. Every now and then, post your most viral TikToks. You might have a few, 1, 2, or 3. You might just have one, but I would say every 1 month or every 2 months, post a couple of your most viral TikToks. Why? It won't get the same amount of likes, but it will generate a good number of likes, and you will get new followers from people that are just joining the platform within the last 5 to 10, 30 days. Hey guys, I will be making a part 2 to this video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss the part 2. I will be adding some things that I did not discuss in this video. You want to make sure you look out for that. I hope you took some notes. Also, comment on this video right now. Let me know, are you going to implement any of these things? These will help you if you do them. If you don't do them, hey guys, just trust me. You got to trust the process, okay? If you have any more questions, you can also follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM. And if you are having trouble getting your money out of the TikTok Creator Fund, I've created a video for that. You can watch that video. Or maybe you're having audio problems, sync, lag problems on TikTok. You can't find the microphone feature. I've created a video for that. And as always, please share this video with someone else who can benefit from it. And until next time, I will see you on TikTok.